You want to know if he's cheating? You want to know if she's cheating? You want to know why he's not taking you serious? You want to know why she's not taking you serious? Do you have questions about knacking, about Gbola and pickles? Do you want to know why some things are not working, about knacking, about Tito and prick? Now you can find out why. This is an opportunity for you to find solution to that problem. All you have to do is call me and don't mention your name. Stay anonymous and ask your question and get your answer. That is why you need to go to YouTube right now. Enter the link in my bio and watch it now. That is why you need to go to YouTube and watch it now. You can also click the link in the description of this video to watch the full video. Find out my answers and the questions they are asking. Let's see if someone is going to call and let's know what the person's problem is so we can help the person solve the prick and Tito problem or relationship problem. Oh, somebody's calling. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, how are you doing? Thank you for calling. How can I help you?
Hello.
I can hear you. Yes, I want to hear you.
Okay, na so tear my Toto dey tear every time my husband enter am. Na small remember make I dey put plaster for Toto. Na so every woman Toto dey scatter anytime their husband sleep with them. Abeg, I wan know. Abi na my Toto not strong.
Let me tell you this. The wall of your pickles is very strong and very solid. It's not the type that is supposed to crack or break because of Gbola entering that pickles. But surprisingly, I'm suspecting something. First, how big is your husband's Gbola?
Okay, my husband Gbola big pass cucumber.
Madam, you not see the prick before you enter the marriage?
Okay, my husband marry me as virgin, na from secondary school we marry.
You never find notice say if you wear boxers, the thing they massive?
Okay, I don't know. I think I go there used to run now. We don't marry for 6 years now.
Madam, do you know the meaning of Oju Kokoro?
I tell you again. I marry my husband. I love her now. I marry her now.
Okay, so you carry big eye, go market, go find big prick. Now you are having issues with big prick.
Okay, I don't know that's how it be. I don't know that's how it be.
Do you know the meaning of what Oyibo calls you have beaten more than what you can chew? Now what your Toto don't do so. Okay, now I want to tell you this. I feel say if he be say na reckless driving where your oga dey do with him prick, now if he cause this issue. That is one. Then two, it is possible that the massive size of his Gbola can be what is causing the damage that you are having so many tears in that Bekos region. But again, I want to ask, how big is your Totoyo, your Moyoyo, your Toto?
I don't know the size, but I don't want 2 children.
Madam, hold on. Your mouth small, your mouth small.
Small.
Your mouth small. That means the opening of your Toto is small, right?
Yes.
Madam, you know say the opening of your Toto small. You go find prick where big person.
I don't know. Na from secondary school I marry my husband though. And I love
Okay, now this is what we are going to do. We are going to wait. Hold on. Before I tell you what we're going to do, I want to ask this question. You dey wet where? If he dey knock you?
I don't know. I don't know. If my husband touch me, my body dey vibrate.
If your husband touch you, your body dey vibrate. But if your husband want chook prick or if he chook prick, you dey wet, abi you dey dry like Hamatan, like Sahara Desert inside the Ponyoyo?
Okay, I'm not too wet, so I be able to talk am.
It be like sweat where they cloth, or it be like say they throw away towel inside water. How the wetness they dey?
Be like sweat wey soak clothes.
That means you know the wet where. Madam, now if you know the wet where, if it be why you they get dry very fast, and why oga prick they fit cause bruises, and because in they reckless with Gbola, even they drive inside the Bekos, you know they care about the borderline of how to control between pressure and pleasure. So oga needs to be careful when he dey chook prick inside Boyoyo. So now you know what they call lube.
No, which one be lubi again?
You see that thing when they inside aloe vera? But if you cut aloe vera, it go do come out. That thing where they white.
We get aloe vera for our backyard o.
Okay, but not be aloe vera go say make you go use. But you get wetin that they call lubi, where it be like aloe vera gel. If you press am, if it come out, you go rub am for your kponyoyon. If you put am for your kponyoyon, it go dey easy make Gbola swim enter. Like say swimmer they jump enter swimming pool, or like say pikin they play on top slide, they come down for playground. So it go dey easy for Gbola to slide enter your toto without friction and without stress and without creating bruises. Then once the lubi dey inside that pekus, it go fit make your oga dey slide, dey ride with ease. It go prevent friction, it go create lubrication where go make oga enjoy the totalization, where go guarantee satisfaction in that action wey una two dey do for that union. Your husband dey lick plate?
No, e no dey lick plate o. For a village they forbid am.
They forbid am for im village.
Yes o.
But e dey fit chook prick inside the kponyoyon.
Yes.
Now, okay, tradition for man or man for tradition, he go decide. But one thing is certain: if he not dey lick plate, over time, if he go make mistake, when he be say God forbid, he can discover say he not dey fit satisfy you. If you can't go make mistake, you sure say you know they wish another man dey hammer you so.
No, I love my husband.
That's good.
And there is that man play.
That's good, because some women they make mistakes, say because they don't they get what they want for house, they'll come go they look outside, not be good thing. So see what thing you go do. Since he's saying be traditional man, ask him whether na tradition he marry or whether na you him marry. Una they fit talk like friends.
Yes, so now my friend now for secondary school they marry or
okay. Since
my friend
since una be friends, tell him say you want tell him waiting they bother you. You want tell am wetin go fit make you happy well for that marriage. Shey him want your happiness.
Yes, so
tell am say the way in dey chook prick for your toto dey cause bruises. They make you wish say you fit put plaster inside that kponyoyon, and that thing dey make you uncomfortable. Now why e no dey hungry you to wan knack all the time? That if he wan make you enjoy knacking, make him dey touch you well, dey do body work for your body, so that if he take time take romance you, do body work, guess wetin go happen? You go feel release plenty juice wey go make the prick enter inside the pekus. E no go create friction. E go just be like say lubrication don dey to create satisfaction. Okay, make oga dey do proper body work for your body. Make e dey massage your pekus for at least 3 minutes. Massage your yansh for like 5 minutes. Touch your whole body, touch your bobby, lick your lick your apiko. You say e no dey do licking of plate. You see, when a man dey lick apiko or lick, it go dey easy for that man to make that woman secrete plenty juice, because once you put tongue for apiko or lick like guess what go happen? The woman brain go dey turn on e own. It go make woman secrete juice easily. That thing dey cause irrigation inside kponyoyon. So make oga understand say when e reach husband and wife matter, not be about wetin you want or about wetin tradition talk, na about wetin go bring happiness for that marriage. Because tradition not support say person go come divorce or marriage go come scatter. Or wetin you need to do to make that marriage work, na suppose be priority for that marriage. Then tell oga say me talk say make him do wetin go make that marriage last. Make him touch you well, make him do well. Abi you not like wetin I talk?
I like answer.
So I want to ask you one question. You
okay,
say oga not like to lick plate. You dey suck oga pipe?
No, I don't know that one. No.
Madam, see, before you request for something, always think of what you can give in return. Life is good and beautiful when it is about give and take. Make it transactional to the point where be say, I dey give you, I dey get. You know, say if you put mouth for your pipe and you go bli 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 blow, bli 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 blow, bli 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 blow, bli 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 blow, if the thing turn in brain and in sweet am, if he forget in tradition, quickly put mouth for your own apiko, because wetin you do to am, he wan do back to you. So make sure say before you dey ask for something, make you too dey make effort, dey make sure say oga get some kind benefit wey dey get from you when he no know say if he gain. So make you go carry oga prick today, make you put mouth for him prick, make you suck am like plip 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 plip. It go help well.
Thank you, Oga. Yeah.
All right, thank you. Let me pray for you. I pray make your oga prick they behave well. I pray, make your God know where to position her, how to choke am, make you know they drive reckless inside your toto. And I pray, make your toto the secret juice, make it cause erosion and irrigation inside that ponyonyo, so that you go start to enjoy prick. Say amen.
Amen.
All right, thank you for calling. All right, take care. All right,
Thank you.
Now, una wey get issue with prick and toto matter, na me una suppose call, ask for advice. No mention your name, oh. Just call me. That number na 090-12-100-200. You see, if you holler me for that number for WhatsApp, not call your name. Just tell me wetin your problem dey. I go answer you and you go come out with solution. When I hear me so, na me be Coach Harrison Tito. Make una follow me. Make una share this thing. Make everybody learn. Make everybody dey solve their problem. Thank you for watching.